Hi everyone, it's Heidi. I ordered some stuff from scrapbook.com and I have the big Sizzix 9-inch cutting machine, but I wanted to try one of these little Scouts. So I got this from scrapbook.com. I just started opening it. So I wanted to do this and try it online or on the video. So that's the registration. It comes with quite a bit, and it comes with some little dies we'll try out. You get this booklet with it. Talks about the base, and this was a kit. It came with quite a bit of stuff, a lot of plates. Okay, so that's just basic instructions on how to put it together. So we have a magic mat. This was outside of it. I stuck it in there. It came in the order too, though. And then these are, oh goodness, these are heavy. These are the plates that come with it. Let me put this up. I think this is a little close. Maybe go up a little bit. I hope the glare is not too bad. I'm not in the kitchen. I'm at my actual small craft space. So we got this little cute set of dies with it. Then a little embossing folder. That's really cute. I don't know how well you can see, but it's a really pretty little floral embossing folder. It's very nice. Probably a shim. And then it's a rubber silicone mat. And a gray plate. Ooh, look, so pretty. Pink plates. Pink is my favorite color. Platform B. Okay. Platform A. The little screw. Okay. Oh, how cute. I'm going to set this box to the side. It's so little. I'm going to put all of this just back in the box real quick. Yep, there's a do not eat packet. Put it over here. Okay, so I have some paper. Let's just use, and which is too wide. So it's the max width that we can use. .5. So I am just going to cut this down real quick to 3.5. I don't have a lot of space, so I'm going to cut it long ways and cut it down to 3.5. I've yet to find my very favorite cutting thing. I have 3 or 4. I have 2 Fiskars and some other kind, but I've yet to find the one. This is nice. It's so portable. Okay, so it is a little different. You need platform A, the embossing folder, and D, adapter plate. Platform base, embossing folder, and the adapter plate. Okay, sorry. This is the first time. So we've got platform A, the 3D embossing folder, and the adapter plate. So that's how to do 3D embossing. I'll get through this. And then let me turn it kind of sideways. Okay, let's see. That is so pretty. I didn't wet it or anything, and there's just not really very many cracks. That's very pretty. Can you see that? Nice. Very easy to use. Okay, let's try some of these little dies. I'll cut another piece. Let's go with kind of a cream color. Let's get it this way. Let's do 3.5. I'm looking at some guillotine style cutters or some overhead, like the rotary cutters, but I'm just not sure if you have any suggestions on the best cutters. I'm still trying out several to see. So we're going to use this. We're going to do for dies. So you're going to need platform A, and then platform B, and then a cutting plate, your cardstock, and the die goes on top. Okay, so then your cardstock, whoops, and then the little dies will go on top. I have bought, unfortunately, a lot of dies from Temu, and they're nice. They're okay, but I tell you, I love these that you don't have to cut apart. They're better, and some of the Temu dies I don't think cut as well. They're not as good. I could be wrong. I don't know, but okay. I'm just going to cut all of these out of one color just to see what they look like, to try this out. This is just really an unboxing, and then maybe later we'll make a card. I've got a couple of other videos that I've got ready I need to look at. They are for I made this card that I thought was so ugly, and I fixed it, tried to fix it as good as I could. So I did a video about that, about mistakes. And then I did get a little die set from Alina Cuddle, Alina Craft, which I've been watching a lot of the videos. And it is a little kind of a gift card holder, but it has a little zip open. It's sealed, and you pull a tab to open it. And I got an order for some stickers, and I started putting my stickers in those so that it's a really cute little packaging. Or I think it's cute. I like it. But I did a video on doing that. I made some mistakes, but it worked out. Okay, so then I think we just need, one more of the pretty pink cutting plates. That should be Good sandwich. Okay, let's try it. I really like this little thing. It's so portable. Not that I go anywhere crafting, but if I ever wanted to, oh goodness, that is tight. I hate to bend these pretty pink plates. I know it's going to happen, but okay. Let's see how this looks. I don't really have any links to these or anything like that. I'm just showing you. I don't have any affiliation, but I do love scrapbook.com. They have so many beautiful things. Where is my... Put these out here on the green where you can see them. That's very pretty. It cuts really well. These dies are really nice too. They come out really nice. So if you get the platinum, and I think it comes in other colors besides pink, but when I saw the pink, I just didn't look any farther. And you also get free gifts. I just ordered some alcohol markers from them, and the Tri-Blend alcohol markers, I haven't gotten them yet. I think I get them Monday. But like this one, with this one I got some stickers and this ink blending tool for free. And with the next one I get some paper and I think some ephemera for free. Those are really cute. I love this little machine. It's very, very portable. Cuts really good. And let's see, it's small. It's cute. Sets up easy. If you get the package that I got, you get the machine and you get an embossing folder. You get this die set. Which is nice. You get 2 pink cutting plates. You get the platform B, platform A, an adapter plate, an embossing mat, a shim, and then scrapbook.com had this in extra, this magic mat. But I was so excited. I waited a little bit to open it, but had to try it out. But there's the magic mat. Okay, that's what you get. I love it. We'll make a card with it soon, but stay tuned and look for my video on the Alina Cuddle or Alina Craft project, and then fixing my ugly card. And I will get those out soon. But I love this thing. It's really nice. I'll let you know more when I use it, but it works just as well as my big one, and or better, because actually it's littler, easier to use. I can pull it out anytime. I can put it in my cabinet easier. I love my big one to make larger things, but this is really nice. So, oh, and you also get an instruction book with it. And oh, and you get $5 of coupons when you register your machine. That's nice. I'm not sure about a warranty. Does it have a warranty? It does. It has a limited 1-year warranty. Any defective, it will Spellbinders will repair or replace defective products or parts. It's void if you misuse or neglect it, but if it's an actual failure of the machine, here's that pretty thing. If it's a failure of the machine, they will fix it. Okay, that's all I've got. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. I would like to do a lot more crafting. It's making me more confident in my crafting just to put these videos out, because I have some pressure to try hard and do well. But thank you.